Hello, my name is Dino, and there's something important you should know when contacting InvisaBlend. You have a couple different options. You can contact the InvisaBlend headquarters, or you can contact one of the InvisaBlend affiliates. In a moment, I will explain what an InvisaBlend affiliate is and how they could be of a service to you. But let's now start with contacting the headquarters office of InvisaBlend. You would contact us to ask any questions or to schedule a video call or to actually schedule to come into our headquarters office. People have traveled from all over the world to come into our headquarters office because we offer something revolutionary that does not exist anywhere else, as you'll see in other parts of this website. So you can schedule to come into the headquarters office to see us in person, we're the originators, or you can contact one of the InvisaBlend affiliates. Now, an InvisaBlend affiliate is an individual hairdresser or a salon or a chain of salons that have taken the InvisaBlend training course. And they took this course to be able to offer InvisaBlend within their salon, okay? So now, when you contact them, and I'll explain in a moment how to contact them, you wanna make sure that they're up to date. Here's the reason why. They pay and take this training course. Some of them follow through and actively offer the InvisaBlend and apply and maintain it. And some of them don't actively do it. So it's to your best interests to contact one of these affiliates and make sure they're up to date for your benefit, okay? Here's how you would contact them. You would go to the contact page, this page, and you would scroll down to the state, example like United States, and you would look on the map, you would zero in to your area, and you're gonna notice there's many dots. You simply click on a dot and notice a panel will open up on the left side. The panel will give you all the information, including the contact information about that affiliate. And if you click outside the panel goes away, and then you can select another dot. So that's how you would contact an affiliate if you wanted to go to see an affiliate in your area. Getting back to contacting the headquarters office, you would contact the headquarters office again for any questions whatsoever, to schedule a video call or to come in, no matter what part of the world you're in. Due to this method called the microstrand technology, people travel from all over the world to our headquarters office because we offer something revolutionary that does not exist anywhere, okay? So you have those two options. Also, if you come to our headquarters office, we will also offer a free demo. Now you could check with an affiliate if they offer a free demo also. And a free demo means we will add some hair, complimentary, where you don't go home with it, but we'll add hair so you can see it, feel it, and experience it on you to make sure this is perfect for you, okay? And then we also offer a 30-day adjustment period. And again, you can check with your affiliate about this. A 30-day adjustment period means that you can wear the hair, have the hair added, and you could experience it and make sure everything is perfect. If you find out anything is not perfect, you want more hair, you want less hair, you want highlights, you want to take highlights away, you want to change the texture, anything like that. The microstrand technology is easy, very easy to alter, and we don't charge for it. So within that first 30 days, you get to experience it, and if you feel anything needs to be different, doesn't matter if you changed your mind or whatever, we do not charge for it, okay? So that's a summary of contacting the headquarters office or contacting one of our affiliates. Thank you.